Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, again, talking about traveling, things that are important about traveling, and things that may occur, but you don't want it to occur during traveling. All right, 比如说遗失了行李，这是很痛苦的一件事情。
真糟糕。
Losing your luggage, sometimes it happens.
有，那很麻烦呢。
就很倒霉的感觉 all right?
对。
So if you lose your luggage, you need to deal with it. And let's teach you some phrases right here in Hakka. First off, 我的行李掉了 I lost my luggage.
我的旅行皮箱诶。
旅行皮箱诶，这么长。
就是旅行皮箱。
哦，旅行 that's 旅行 that's traveling. 皮箱诶 that's your luggage. All right.
大唔见摕咧。
这才是真的丢掉的这句话。大唔见摕咧就是遗失了。Okay, so that last part of it means I lost something, and in this case, my traveling bags. All right, 那这个可能在机场人家会问你说，是什么样的颜色的行李箱啊？What color is your luggage?
黑马嘅色嘅旅行皮箱诶。
黑马嘅色嘅旅行皮箱诶。And then maybe your answer is 有可能是黑色的、白色的、绿色的、蓝色的，也有可能是灰色的啊。黑色的 ，let's say it's black。
无色嘅。
无色嘅啊，无所说的无色嘅。
对。
Okay, that means it's dark. It's black. 白色的 white。
白色嘅。
白色嘅 ，OK， 白要不白都可以。
不是，是白色的。
白色哦。
那海陆腔白色的白色嘅。
白色嘅 Okay, that's a different dialect for white, all right? And then 绿色的 green.
绿色嘅。
绿色嘅 Okay, that's green. Maybe 蓝色的 blue.
蓝色嘅。
蓝色嘅 All right, and finally gray. 有可能皮箱很多都是灰色的
灰色嘅。
灰色嘅 Okay, that's a gray luggage. All right, and then the airline or the crew at the airport may say, we will call you once we find it. So, how do you say that in Hakka?
簽到以後。
簽到以後。
捱爭打電話本你。
捱爭打電話本你。Okay, that means then I will call you after I find it. All right? We hope this doesn't happen to you at the airport, but if it does, maybe you can use these phrases. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.